guys, it's your girl Raquel, and I'm back with another video. I got my IPSY for the month of January and my IPSY for the month of December. Nope, I didn't open it at all. I held December's out to share with you guys. Before we get into the IPSY unboxing, y'all, let me share with y'all my little scent box that I got for the month of January. I got 2 fragrances in here, and I got a little pouch from Lux Scent Beauty, from Luxury Scent Box. I don't know why I made that up and said beauty, and it's just a card that shows some of the fragrances that they have. And this is just stuff that you can add on, different scents. But let's see what the scents are that we have for this month. I have, this is how they come packaged. If y'all don't know what Lux Scent By is, it's a luxury beauty, luxury perfume subscription that you can get for $9.99 or $18.99. Depending on whether you want to get these every month or if you just want to get this for $9.99. And that's quite a bit of fragrance in there. And this is one of the ones, it looks like Montel Wild Pears. Oh, that's bougie. Oh, but then you just pop it in there, twist it up or down. I just keep them in my purse. Ooh. Oh, I'm on camera, huh? Girl, that smells good. This one is going in the pocketbook right away. I'll put a link below for Lux Scent By. This is the one going in the purse. Now let's see what the next one is. The next one here is, pop it out, Montel Sweet Flowers. Okay, the other one was pear and this one is Sweet Flowers. Now y'all know I got to spray it again, right? Y'all know I got to. Ooh, I like that too. Okay, I'm just gonna mix them. Don't nobody know. They'd be like, what you got? I'll be like, girl, it's some of everything. And I won't be lying. I will not be lying. But you can get that Lux Scent By for $9.99. You ain't got to pay that whole $130 for the whole bottle. You know, you can smell good for a good 30 days. All right, y'all. So we're going to start with the IPSY for January. I don't know why one came in a box, one came in a bag, but both of these are the $25 boxes. So, in both of them, this one I got 2 days before my BoxyCharm. And I don't know, I guess it's just shipping in general, because both of these babies was like, okay, I guess the tone is Dream. This is the bag. These bags come so useful. I think I'm going to put this one in my car because it's the same color blue as the interior, as a little trash bag. Yeah, you know. Okay, quit talking. Woo. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Is there a card? Yes. Okay. Glam Bag X Patrick Ta. I don't know. Your last chance to level up. Next month, let Hollywood hottest makeup artists deliver you 8 of your favorite products. And oh, okay. I guess Patrick Ta doing a takeover in the IPSY's $50 bag for February, but I'm good. I'm good. 8 full-size products. If anybody interested, that's what it says. 8 full-size products worth $420. Nah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm almost about to let all of them go. Let's not add another one. Okay, the first thing I see here is the best brow toolkit ever. You got some tweezers, some little scissors. Now this, I like. I gotta tear on into this, y'all. Oh, yes, I like this already. Okay, I'm cool with this. I am cool with this. This is from Billion Dollar Brow. We've gotten some stuff from them in BoxyCharm. You got some little brow scissors, a little small spoolie brush, and some scissors. So I'm cool. Oh, and some tweezers. Okay, that's everything you need except for my brow gel. So I'm happy with that. Okay, the next thing I see here is Purdy Leaf's Blue Lotus Seaweed Treatment Mask. Intensely moisturizing, smoothing balance. Okay, that's what that looks like. All skin types. It says all skin types, but at the bottom it says combination. So I guess, how many is in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you get 6 masks. Okay, that's what the packaging looks like. And I will use one of these seaweed masks tonight when I take off my face. The next thing I see here is Ofra Bossy Eyes, a liquid eyeshadow by Ofra. Let me let y'all see what the package, I'm just ripping into it like y'all can see what I'm doing. Ooh, okay. That's a nice glossy shade. You see it? That's like you can barely see it. I know I had to do this. I'm just going to put a little bit on top of mine. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Alright. Alright. That just added a little light. A little light. Okay, Ofra. I see you. I probably should have did that because now I look uneven, but I just wanted to get the gist of what it was gonna do. Okay, the next thing in here is Power Post Lip Gloss. That's what it looks like. Yeah, I don't have any prices because for whatever reason, IPSY doesn't put prices in their stuff. I hope y'all can see that because I know the light is probably drowning it out. Complex Culture Power Lip Gloss. Ooh, I like that. I like the packaging. That's the way it looks. Girl, can let me. Ooh. Oh, and it's just exactly what it says. It's just a clear gloss. That's it right there. I like this packaging. Yes, this is purse bound. Yes, I'm gonna have so many glosses in my purse. I ain't gonna know which one I want to use. And next in here, last, it looks like the last thing I have in here is Cream Violetta Smooth Hand and Body Butter with lavender and oatmeal. That's what it looks like. It's a hand cream, and you can always use a hand cream in your purse. And I ain't gonna tell y'all how many. I got one in every purse. When I change purses, pretty much the only thing I have to change is my wallet. It's my wallet. My wallet, and grab my little mask bag. Because I got a bag with nothing but N95 that go in every purse. That way I never forget to have one to take with me when I go in stores. Oh, this is pretty good. It's got a perfumey smell, but I like it because it's not oily. You know how you lotion up your hands and you touch something and everything is like greasy or oily, you can't hold nothing? Yeah, it's not like that. Okay, I like that. Even the little perfumey smell is cool. Okay. Alright, that's it for January's BoxyCharm. Oh, girl, IPSY Glam. Now, this is the one that I got in December. If y'all don't want to stick around and see what they said in December because it was December's box, I understand. But if you do decide to get IPSY, you can buy previous month's boxes. Okay, let's see. Same thing. This, I guess, is an old box. Discover yourself. And inside the box, you still got your bag. I guess this bag had bigger things, so they had to put it in a bigger box. Or instead of the packaging, I can't explain their shipping reasons, y'all. I got another card, and that's it. There's no prices. There's never no prices. So, but look at this little bag. It's all velvety. You know what? I may change and put this in my purse for my mask bag. Yes, that's the inside of it. These bags are way nicer than they used to be. The first thing I pull out of, oh, is a Tula product. I like Tula. Go Away Acne Spot Treatment. That's what this is. I may give this to my son. Y'all, he just came home. He eating up everything in my house. I'll put a picture over here. Girl. And he's so big. And he got I don't see a spot on his body with no tattoos. Anyway, I'll get this to him. He can use his acne stuff. He'll be 26 on the 8th of February. So, yeah. And he's still having his little acne battles. But, yeah, I won't open it. Skin Spot Treatment. I like Tula products, so. And luckily, I don't have issues with acne. I just have spots and dots I wish would just go on my way. Okay, the next thing I have in here is a Violet Voss palette, 8 eyeshadows and pressed pigment palette. That's what it looks like. I'll open it up. Oh, these are beautiful. This is a beautiful, it's got a mirror down here. But those are the shadows. Real pretty, natural matte colors. Kind of like what I had on, have on today. Before I put that little light shimmer across there. But yeah, I like that. Okay, Violet Voss. And another palette, y'all, I am overwhelmed with, oh, let me shut up. Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. I have the older one, the darker one, the one for darker skin, so I'm happy with this one. Oh yeah, this one is just lighter. That's what it looks like. Let me swatch those 3. Yeah, it feels buttery like the other one. I think this is just the one for lighter skin tones. Those are the swatches. And y'all know I got to find me a brush. And let's go with this little gold. Go with this little gold. Ooh. Okay. Okay. See, that's a lesson learned. I'm going to have to go light-handed. Because I don't like to be shining to the moon. I just like to, glisten a little bit. Yeah, with that there, I done float to the moon and back. Let me buff it down. Okay. Okay. All right. All right, Huda. I like that. All right. So now I have both of them. I wish I had it near so I could pull it out and show it to you guys. But it's somewhere in all this mess of makeup that I own. Okay, the next thing in here, last thing in here, I guess $25. I guess Huda would have paid for that, but I'm sure I wouldn't have bought the lighter version. But anyway, is a centerpiece all-in-one elixir spray. What is this? Gluten-free, safe. Okay, let me show it to y'all. Is it for hair? I don't know. Make your hair the main feature and centerpiece with a single product that does it all. This lightweight, multitasking styling spray is packed with rich oils. Let's see, y'all. Ooh. I hope it don't make my hair hard. It don't smell like nothing. Okay. This is from R+CO or R+CO. And I don't know. I don't know, but I got a styling spray for my wigs. Okay, guys. That's it from my IPSY for December and January. And guys, y'all, I got a little baby haul. I ordered me some stuff from Ulta and Sephora. And yeah, I'm going to clean up a lot of this mess and get back so I can let you guys see what all I got. Alright, y'all stay blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. La, la, la.